Welcome back. This is Chili Davis, and I'm back to another video. I'd like to welcome back all my subscribers and all my new viewers. This is a channel where we talk about my top stocks. We also talk about crypto from time to time. If you're new, please click the subscribe button and click the notification bell for updates. Today on this Friday, we had a good close for the week beyond the Elon Musk and Trump spat. If we take a quick look at yesterday on Thursday, um, in my portfolio, we're down a little bit after Elon Musk started discussing on Twitter his disagreements about the current big, beautiful bill Trump put out. So Tesla shares yesterday were down as much as 14% of the day. Okay, so down in my position a little over $2,200. But today we bounced back over 4%. Okay, so that was yesterday. It could have been a good opportunity on Thursday to pick up Tesla shares or Palantir or some of the other big tech. Okay, so today we had, as I mentioned, a great bounce back. We had Tesla up 4.56, SoFi shares continue surge up 4.17, and Palantir shares bounce back 6.45. Also, CoreWeave still in action. CoreWeave shares were up as much as 4.15%. So a great closing day for Friday for the stock market. And Elon Musk and Trump are still not talking yet. Okay, and mind you, next week, next Saturday, the 12th, Robotaxi is tentative to start. Okay, Robotaxi in Austin, Texas, the automated FSD trial run is set to start in Austin, Texas. Okay, so that's something to think about right before the rollout of the Robotaxi test run in Austin. Musk and Trump have a big spat. All right. So now we'll go over to the news real quick. Okay, as I mentioned, for this Friday, we have the Dow Jones index up, we have the S&P index up, the Nasdaq up, and the Russell 2000 index of shares. Okay, so pretty much like I said, for a Friday, the stock market was up. All right. In other news, we still have uh, Powell and Trump. Okay, this is Federal Reserve Powell and Trump. Trump presses Powell for a full point rate cut. As I mentioned, the job numbers came out earlier today, and actually they weren't too bad. Okay, so the market hummed along. It says Tesla already had big problems. Then Musk went to battle with Trump. Okay, so we talked about that briefly. His disdain for the new big beautiful bill that Musk claims that will hurt the U.S. Consumer. Okay. All right. Trump says he has no plans to speak to Musk as feud persists, and Trump announces U.S.-China trade talks in London next week. Okay. So in regards to the tariffs, that's an issue. All right. So Trump is trying to work his magic and get some of these tariffs done, and things are moving along as Trump works with China. All right, so next, what I wanted to speak about really quickly was Circle. Okay, so a new IPO this week, Circle, ticker symbol CRCL, went online this week and roughly up 29% today. And if we look at when they opened, they are up significantly. Okay, so they opened right around $37, and today they are trading at $107 per share. So all the new people who invested in the IPO, hey, they did fantastic because it's up pretty much 70% from $30 up to $107 per share. Okay, so I don't know if you could have got on Robinhood or not, but if you did, if you were able to pre-purchase before the IPO on Wednesday, then you'd be up almost 70 something percent. Okay, so this is the news of the week. Initial public offering of Circle. It's a new tech company. I'm not even sure what they do, but it says here the race to embrace stablecoin heats up on Wall Street. Circle soars 160% as the stablecoin giant makes market debut. Okay, so this was a little over 18 hours ago. The news article came out, and like I said, I'm not really that big on Circle, but it does look like they work with stable coins. Okay, so Circle shares were up as much as 29% on the day, and it looks like they were up as much as 35% the previous day on the opening. Okay, so that's one of the hottest stocks this week. So I don't want everybody to think that I missed that one. All right, and next we'll go over to CoreWeave because CoreWeave is hot too this week. Again, CoreWeave shares this past week were up 30%. There was an opportunity to get in yesterday. As we saw, it was up as much as $162 per share. And then on Thursday, it was down around 133. And today it came back a little bit up around 144 and then closed about 140. Okay, so there was a slight dip. And again, in my position, I'm up 143%, but it's a small position there, CoreWeave, okay? And overall in the portfolio, I think was up slightly again after Trump and Elon spat. My Tesla position, kind of significantly pulled down this portfolio. But again, the portfolio was up today a little over 2.41%, a little over double of what I would expect of 1% move. Today we were up a little over 2.41%. Again, CoreWeave in there, Tesla in there, Google shares were up. So quite a bit of big tech was up as much. And now we'll go over to my Charles Schwab. Okay, here we are in my Schwab portfolio, and in this portfolio, we're up 4.56, a little over $400. Yesterday, we were down about $2,000, so today we're back up 400. Again, the spat between Musk and Trump continues. Trump is not speaking to Musk, and we still have to concern because Musk holds a lot of contracts, whether SpaceX or Tesla, they actually hold a lot of contracts with the government. Okay, so that could be a revenue decrease for SpaceX or any of its other partner companies. Okay, SoFi shares were up today 4.17. Palantir Technology shares jumped 6.45, and Amazon shares jumped 2.81%. And the new news on Amazon is that they are working a R&D department was formed. New agentic AI group was formed, and Amazon is creating an agentic AI team within Lab 26 hardware research and development. The new group will help develop agentic AI framework for its use of its robotics operations in the application referred to physical AI. Okay, so that's the new news on Amazon. Again, shares jumping over 2% on the day. Okay, so that was some big news on the day. Also, just really quick, let's take a quick look at Circle. Circle shares closing for the day. All right, finally, again, Circle Internet Group opened this week. Again, like I mentioned, they opened up early this week, about $31, and they closed today at 115. So again, the hottest stock up quite a bit, over 70% from $37 up to $115 per share. Circle was the new IPO stock of the week and probably the hottest stock I've seen. Okay, so I want to thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. Please like, share, and hope to see everyone on the next video.